Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings. Today we're diving into a report from Terex Corporation, a company that makes big machines like cranes and construction equipment. Get ready because some of their financial figures might just lift your eyebrows as high as one of their cranes can lift steel. Terex filed this report with the Securities and Exchange Commission on May 20, 2025. These reports are required by law and give investors a look into how the company is doing. This report shares some financial results for the first 3 months of 2025. Companies usually put out a press release to quickly share key information, and Terex did just that. Terex held a conference call to discuss these financial results. They also put a slide presentation on their website to go along with the call. This helps investors better understand the numbers. If you want even more details, you can find the press release and other related documents attached to this report. You can buy and sell Terex stock on the New York Stock Exchange, and it trades under the ticker symbol TEX. Jennifer Compicarello, Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer of Terex, signed the report on behalf of the company. This means she's responsible for making sure the information is accurate. Now, let's dig into the numbers and see how Terex is really performing. Sadly, there are no hard numbers in this report other than the date. Now, based on what we know about Terex and similar companies, let's take a broader look. Terex is in the business of making and selling heavy equipment. That means their success is closely tied to the overall economy. When the economy is strong, construction projects boom and Terex sells more machines. When the economy slows down, things get tougher. One of Terex's strengths is their wide range of products. They make equipment for all sorts of industries, from construction to mining to ports. This helps them weather economic ups and downs in any one particular sector. But being in so many different markets also means they face a lot of competition. They have to stay ahead of the game with new technology and efficient operations. One of the biggest risks for Terex, like any manufacturer, is the cost of materials. Steel, for example, can be a big expense. If those costs go up, it can squeeze their profits. They also have to manage their supply chains carefully. If they can't get the parts they need to build their machines, they can't sell them. Looking ahead, Terex has some interesting opportunities. Infrastructure spending around the world could create a lot of demand for their equipment, and as companies become more focused on sustainability, Terex could benefit by developing more environmentally friendly machines. So what's the overall picture? Terex is a solid company in a cyclical industry. They have a diversified product line, but they face risks related to material costs and supply chains. The future looks promising, but they need to stay innovative and manage their operations effectively to succeed. While this 8K filing doesn't give us specific financial data, understanding the context helps us evaluate the company's potential. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which company you want me to decode next.